Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a perfect breakfast eggs for you to kickstart your day. So for this recipe we'll need 1 spring onions. We don't need much, just use as little or as much as you want. And 1 Thai red chili. So we'll use both the white bits and the green parts. Just thinly slicing it. So this is for 2 eggs and some green bits of the spring onion. So we have here roughly about 1 tablespoon of sliced green onion, 1 Thai red chili, same, thinly slicing it. So for 2 eggs, this should be around 1 teaspoon. Heat a pan on low flame and add 1 teaspoon butter, around 1 teaspoon olive oil. Crack 2 eggs. Salt. 1 pinch for 1 egg. Freshly cracked pepper. A sliced red chili. And spring onion. Cover and cook on low heat for 2 minutes. 2 minutes are done. Turn off the heat. A teaspoon of garlic oil. In just 2 minutes, we have perfect and delicious breakfast eggs. If you loved this recipe, please give it a like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.